So this is David, Tucson Septic pumping. See if I can get a shot in here. This is an example of hydrojetting a leach line that has some root infestation and biomat or biological material. That'll build up in the pipe and then it stops the water from draining. This is not really a permanent fix for the problem, but it is a temporary one. And some people have gotten away with years and years of good use without having to replace, and some don't get so lucky. You see it's just a portable unit we bring out. And then the tip shoots up the line. And then as he pulls it out, the water is spraying backwards to bring out all the junk in the line. Let's see if we get lucky here. And before I started this video, of course, he had already pulled chunks out, so I didn't get that on film, but we'll see. Or not.